Welcome back. According to the U.S. Census Bureau, there were around 16.5 million veterans living in the United States just last year. Corewell Health, the new name for Spectrum Health, employs over 600 veterans here in Michigan and recently was designated a silver veteran-friendly employer by the Michigan Veterans Affairs Agency. Now, as the country looks to pay tribute to our veterans tomorrow, we have Dr. Vikram Kashyap. He is the president of the Cardiovascular Health at Corewell Health and a former lieutenant colonel in the Air Force. Good morning, doctor.
Good morning.
Thank you for joining us. We want to tell your story a little bit about how we can help honor these veterans. But first, I want to know about what it was like to join the military. What drew you to it?
Yeah. Well, as a child, I always thought I wanted to be a pilot. But then reality struck and I decided to go another way and go into science and eventually medical school. But then I had an opportunity which is similar to ROTC, called HPSP, which is a scholarship program for medical school. And I took the chance and decided to join the Air Force then.
So you actually were able to join the Air Force. What drew you to that branch of the military? Was it just getting up in the air?
Yeah. So again, old story, but at one point I was in the backseat of a jet and I asked the instructor, hey, listen, if I give up medical school, can I become a pilot? They said, sure, but you may not make it through pilot school. So I stuck
Oh my
with
goodness.
medicine.
Now, most people would think that medical school would be much more difficult than pilot school.
Well, it's a hierarchy, right? 100 people start pilot school and only a few make it to the very top, especially if you want to be in a fighter jet or something like that.
Wow, so that Top Gun scenario really is pretty competitive and accurate, isn't it?
Absolutely.
Oh my goodness. So how did you transition between the two?
So finished my medical training and then became active duty and was stationed down at Lackland Air Force Base, Wilford Hall Medical Center. And this was prior to 9/11, where we took care of a lot of retirees and dependents. Of course, after 9/11, things changed and it became much more combat casualty care. But at that time, we had a very robust tertiary quaternary service for cardiovascular care in San Antonio.
Amazing. So wow, you have a memoir coming out? I mean, this sounds like you've got what an interesting life you've led so far.
Well, I've got lots more to do right now at Corewell Health. So,
absolutely. This is another chapter in your memoir, baby. I understand Corewell Health is offering a virtual veterans career open house. Let's talk about that.
Yeah. So I think first of all, Corewell Health is just a great place to work. So whether you're a veteran or not veteran, please consider us as a place for employment. Great people, great hardworking work ethic for the people that are there, and really tremendous benefits and professional development. And yes, we're having an open house. It's virtual. It's next Thursday from, I think, noon to 6. And there's a number, I think, on your screen that you can call to get more information about that.
And what exactly are obviously aimed at veterans, okay? What exactly are they looking for here? What is this offering?
Yeah. So both veterans and family members. Okay. But I think it's just a chance for folks to explore what's available. Lots of different opportunities, up and down healthcare, if you will, from clinical-facing positions to other staff positions. And as you probably know, there's a lot of churn right now in the workplace. So we have tremendous needs, we have openings, and we need great people to join us.
So this is more than just explore maybe something to use as a medical outlet or someone to use in that field, but for employment.
Yeah.
Okay.
Absolutely.
So that's going to be there as well. When is this all happening?
This is next Thursday from noon to 6.
Next Thursday from noon to 6. And of course, obviously, the care is the same for all, the high quality of care, but we really want to make sure we're taking care of our veterans.
Absolutely.
Doctor, thank you so much for the time. There's the number on the screen once more. Thursday, November 17th. As you heard Doctor say, noon to 6. You want more information, call that number on your screen, 616-490-7928. We'll be right back.